Ever wondered why some YouTube videos blow up while others barely get a glance? Well, today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to create a killer YouTube video that grabs attention and keeps viewers coming back for more. Stick around and you'll be a YouTube sensation in no time. How to create a killer YouTube video. 1. Find your niche. First up, finding your niche. This is crucial because it defines your channel's identity. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What am I good at? Look at trending topics or gaps in existing content. Research what people are searching for and see where your interests align. This will be the foundation of your channel, so choose wisely. 2. Develop a concept. Next, let's develop a concept. Once you have your niche, outline your main idea. Think about unique angles. How can you put a fresh spin on a popular topic? Consider different formats: tutorials, storytelling, challenges, or interviews. Originality is key. The more unique your concept, the more likely it is to stand out. 3. Script and storyboard. Now, it's time to script and storyboard your video. A script doesn't have to be word for word. It can be bullet points to keep you on track. Storyboarding helps visualize your scenes, making transitions smoother. This pre-planning saves time during filming and keeps your content engaging. 4. Engaging hook. Don't forget about the hook. You have just seconds to grab your viewers' attention. Start with a question, a bold statement, or an intriguing fact. Make them want to stick around. For example, did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute? Let's make yours stand out. 5. Quality production. Quality matters. Invest in decent equipment. This doesn't mean you need the fanciest gear, but clear video and audio are crucial. Use a good camera or even your smartphone. Make sure you have proper lighting. Natural light works great, but softboxes can help create a professional look. Remember, your viewers deserve the best experience possible. 6. Editing. Now on to editing. Use software like Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve. During editing, cut out any fluff. Keep your video concise to maintain viewer interest. Add music, sound effects, and graphics to enhance the experience, but keep it balanced so it doesn't overwhelm your content. 7. Optimize for YouTube. Optimization is key. Craft a catchy title that includes relevant keywords to help your video get discovered. Design a vibrant thumbnail. This is often the first impression, so make it eye-catching. Also, write a detailed description with keywords and timestamps, making it easy for viewers to navigate and increasing your SEO. 8. Call to action. Always include a call to action. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. This helps build a community around your content. You might say, if you enjoyed this, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. 9. Engage with your audience. Engage with your viewers. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls. This builds a connection and makes your channel feel more inviting. Your audience wants to feel heard, and their input can guide your future content. 10. Analyze and adapt. Finally, analyze your performance. Use YouTube analytics to track metrics like viewer retention and click-through rates. See what types of content perform best and adapt your future videos accordingly. This continuous improvement cycle helps you grow and better meet your audience's needs. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to creating killer YouTube videos that resonate with viewers. Remember, it's all about passion, creativity, and connecting with your audience. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and comment below with your video ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy filming!